just unloaded the trailer here. I'm gonna go be picking up some pine straw for a job I got Tuesday. It's Saturday right now. I normally never work on Saturday, but pine straw was out yesterday, and I had to come pick it up this morning because I don't have time on Monday, because I got a full day Monday, and I just want to stage it at the house. So anyhow, we'll be rocking and rolling to GTF Nursery and Landscape Supply. Boom. We are here at GTF Nursery. I was hoping the owner was going to be here, Mark, but he's out. So I'm just going to give you a little footage. Y'all here in Pensacola, Florida, go ahead and stop by and see these guys. They've always taken real good care of me. Mark's a great guy, and all their people that work here are real cool, and always taking care of me. So I'll give you a little footage. Got loaded up over here. See ya. Now, one last stop. I gotta go fill up a couple gas cans here for Monday while I'm out. Because I hate when I get in the groove, man, having to stop, fill everything up. I like to try to get ahead of the game if I can. So on my way home, we'll swing by and fill up a couple of gas cans for Monday. Get everything taken care of. Alright, here we are. Drain all my money. You sure can. Dude, that was awesome. I'm filling up my truck too at this, after I filled up the gas cans, and this lady pops her head around and she's like, "Hey, do you do aerations?" And I said, "Why, yes I do." And so at that point we got information here, and somebody almost ran into me. Anyhow, people, I said, "Yes ma'am, I do." Got her number and everything, and lived right down the road from my house, which is perfect. So I'm getting ready to go drop off the trailer and go do that estimate. So that's pretty sweet. Digging it.